and welcome to another episode of AllHome Inspirations with me, Leona. As you can see, we are not in any AllHome branch because we are staying safe at home. However, that doesn't mean that you can't update your space. All you gotta do is shop online. So, shall we get started? First things first. Assess your space and think about what you want to keep and which pieces you want to replace. In our case, we will be removing the huge lounge chair, but we'll be keeping the bed. Next, list down the things you need. Since this area will be used as a guest bedroom and possibly my eldest's future bedroom, a task light for reading, a bedside table, a table lamp, some accessories, and finally, new bedding and pillows that would appeal to both kids and adults. While I love this block print patchwork quilt, it's not exactly what a 9-year-old would choose. Now that we have everything written down, it's time to head on over to www.allhome.com.ph to start shopping. Navigating through the AllHome website is a cinch. Everything is listed down per category and subcategory for easy searching. Once you see something you want, simply add to cart. My orders are finally here. After sanitizing the packages, we built the furniture and the lighting fixtures. The linens went straight to the laundry. Now that everything is ready, here comes my favorite part, which is putting everything together. The total cost of the update was a little over 12,000 pesos, with the majority of the budget going to the side table. I was on the hunt for something sturdy and compact, and the side table was exactly what the space needed. The rest of the budget went to bedding, lighting, and accessories. Let me share some tips on how you can style your space and add personality with these items. Every space needs good lighting. The matte black lamp makes a great reading lamp and picks up the black from the paintings. The small gray lamp adds a nice warm glow to the room. Books and plants are a great way to add color to your space. They not only breathe life to a room but also showcase your interests. A catch-all like this rectangular ceramic plate is a great spot to place your glasses, watches, or anything that you might want to remove at the end of the day. And finally, mixing and matching prints is easy when you have a unifying color. In our case, we layered black and white pieces in a multitude of patterns. We are done. I hope you enjoyed this episode of AllHome Inspirations. Know that you can always shop online at www.allhome.com.ph. You can also use the AllHome app. AllHome items are also available at Laz Mall and Shopee Mall. Thanks again for joining us, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!